PDCA represents contractors who are in the pile driving industry, as well as associate members who provide various services to association members and to the industry.
The reason that the PDCA is different from other organizations is because we're in direct contact with our customers.
We found that the PDCA member and attendant, some of them are our good customers and clients. We want to build a good relationship and strengthen those relationships, knowing more people that exactly match our business here in North America.
It is the only group that is specific to the driven pile industry.
Truthfully, the reason I renew my membership every year to PDCA, without the PDCA, I don't know if I'd be in business. Since I've been a member of the PDCA, I've learned modern equipment. I've met some great other pile drivers who have given me work and ideas that have helped us stay in business.